Hi everybody, Midnight Sky Wolf here. Right now it's raining outside. You guys can see it's raining. I was going to do a dog park video today, but I can't because it's all wet. It's really wet out there. So that's basically it. My bed's a little messy. And this little boy over here is whining. What are you doing? Like I told you guys, he's wearing a comb because he has a scar on his face. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. Let me turn on the light. There we go. Yeah, he's wearing a comb. You can see his face right there. There's this little scratch wound. It's healing and his fur's growing back, so he doesn't have to wear that comb for long. And there's this Amber right there. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? There's Charlie, everybody. He's right there. So I thought I'd do an inside video with the dogs, because I can't do an outside video today. But we're doing quite alright in our new place and stuff, so I thought I'd just shoot this video out, get this video out for you guys. So, hopefully, it's supposed to rain all this week. So, as soon as there's a nice, beautiful day, there'll be a dog park video out. And hopefully, he won't be wearing this comb for very long. But it just keeps him from bothering it, because he was bothering it a couple of times. And it wasn't given a chance for it to heal. But once it heals, he won't be wearing his cone of shame anymore. But I actually bought this, and this one is actually a lot better because it's flexible and it allows him to go through doors and stuff. Amber, what are you doing? Amber, what are you doing? Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, please like, and please share this video. And may the spirit of wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everybody? Bye.